From up to down. Look at what you're doing first. Look at what you're doing first. Repeat. Bradford, wait. There you go. Look at what you're doing. You're pressing glue. Press. Okay. Now you're going to put it here. One straight line. Tap, Bradford. Where's your other hand? There. Tap, Bradford. Get one more. Put it here. You're making it rain. Tap. Tap it. There. Good job. This one. Here. Tap. Tap it. There. Tap it. Yes. Tap. Oh, no more. Oh, time to trace. Tap. There you go. Now you trace. Up. 2. Down. Up. You press. There. Press. Yes. See? It's raining. Good job, Bradford. Good job. Okay.